Greetings everyone, this is second video of diazonium salt. In this we will discuss mechanism of diazonium salt with coupling reaction. The coupling reaction between benzene diazonium chloride and phenol or amine is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction in which diazonium ion act as a electrophile while phenol or amine act as a nucleophile. First one is coupling with phenols. Since benzene diazonium ion are only weak electrophile, therefore strong nucleophile are needed for the reaction to occur. Further, since phenol is weak nucleophile but phenoxide ion is a strong nucleophile, therefore coupling reaction of phenol are usually carried out in alkaline medium. Now we will discuss its role of pH. The pH of the medium plays an important role in the coupling of phenol as stated above. The coupling of phenols is carried out in the weakly base medium as explained above. In alkaline medium, the diazonium salt first form diazonium hydroxide, which immediately rearrange to diazyohydrate, which further react to alkali to form the corresponding salt called diazorates. All these three species in fact exist in equilibrium. Since at a high concentration of OH ions, the equilibrium will shift in favor of diazyohydroxide and diazate, both of the which not couple. Therefore, for the desired coupling reaction to occur, the pH must be kept at low as possible in alkaline medium. However, a too low pH would suppress the dissociation of phenol to phenoxide ion. Therefore, to carry out the coupling reaction to an optimum pH is needed. In actual practice, the optimum pH for such coupling reaction is between 9 to 10. Second one is coupling with amines. Tertiary amines. The mechanism of coupling reaction of diazonium salt with the tertiary amine is similar to the phenols, except that the coupling is carried out under weakly acidic condition. Now we will discuss third one, reaction with primary and secondary amines. Coupling of diazonium salt with primary and secondary amines occurred in neutral or mildly alkaline medium. Here NH2 group of the amine first attack to the diazonium cation to form diazoamine benzene. However, when the diazoamine benzene thus formed is heated in presence of acidic medium, it undergoes diamino-amino rearrangement to form para-amino-azobenzene by the following reaction. Role of pH. The presence of high concentration of H positive ion, the lone pair of the electron on the N atom except the proton. As a result, the amine exists predominantly in the protonated form as shown below. Due to the absence of lone pair of electron to the N atom, the amine is no longer nucleophilic, and hence the coupling of the reaction will not occur at high concentration of H ion, that is low pH. Further, as explained above, too weakly alkalinity, high pH will also not favor coupling reaction by forming unreaction dihydroxide or diazotate salt in insignificant amount. Therefore, an optimum pH of 4 to 5 is employed to such coupling reaction. Now we will discuss the summary of this chapter. Firstly, we will discuss diazotization. Aromatic diazonium salt are prepared by adding cold aqueous solution of sodium nitrite to the solution or suspension of aromatic primary amine in a mineral acid, HCl or H2SO4, etc. at 273 to 278 Kelvin. Thus, reaction is called diazotization. In general, during diazotization, 1 mole of amine is treated with approx 3 mole of the mineral acid. 1 mole of dissolved the amine, 1 mole to the literated H2NO4 HNO2 from NaNO2, and 1 mole to the maintain the proper acidity of the reaction mixture to prevent the coupling of diazonium salt, thus formed with the undiazoted free amine to give azodie. Third one, stability. Aromatic diazonium salt are much more stable than the aliphatic diazonium salt due to the dispersal of positive charge over the benzene ring. Arene diazonium salt are generally colorless, crystalline, solid, highly soluble in water. They are stable only between 273 to 278 Kelvin. Therefore, they are never isolated but are usually prepared in situ and used immediately after the preparation. Arene diazonium salt are highly reactive compound. Their reactivity arises due to the excellent living ability of diazo group as N2 gas. Sixth one is substitution reaction. Diazonium salt undergo a number of substitution reaction. For example, diazo group is replaced by hydrogen by heating with hypophosphoric in presence of copper with the ethanol. Second one is diazo group is replaced by OH by boiling the dilute H2SO4. Third one is the diazo group is replaced by Cl or Br by heating copper chloride or copper bromide, that is Sandmeyer reaction, or by Cu powder HCl or Cu powder in presence of HBr, that is Gutterman reagent. The fifth one is diazo group replaced by iodine by boiling it with aqueous Ki. Next one, diazo group is replaced by CN by heating with KCN in presence of CuCN, or KCN in presence of copper powder. Now we will discuss coupling reaction. Coupling reaction is explained as compound containing N double bond and linkage are called azocompound are obtained by coupling arene diazonium salt either with phenol in the basic medium pH 9 to 8 or with amine in acidic medium having pH 4 to 5. The well-known acid-base indicator methyl orange is prepared by coupling diazonium salt of sulfonalic acid and N-dimethyl aniline. Now we will discuss reduction. Reduction of arene diazonium salt with SnCl2 in presence of HCl with sodium sulfite or sodium hydrosulfite NaHSO3 gives arene hydrazine. For example, under these conditions, benzene diazonium chloride give phenyl hydrazine. Thank you.